This lesson we're going to be looking at compound inequalities and how do you solve and graph a compound inequality. First, a compound inequality is two simple inequalities combined by the word and or. And is a conjunction, also known as being convergent. That is when the two inequalities will come together. So an example like x is greater than 2 and x is less than 6, we can graph both the 2 and the 6 onto the number line. At the 2, we're going to be placing an open circle and an arrow pointing to the right, following the arrow of x is greater than 2. And at the 6, we'll place an open circle with an arrow pointing to the left, and simply fill in the middle, but leaving the dots blank. An alternate way of writing this is that 2 is less than x, less than 6. There are two ways to write, and we need to be familiar with both. An or statement is a disjunction or divergent. So x is less than 2 or x is greater than 6. We will graph the 2 points similarly, but instead of their arrows pointing in, they're going to point outward. This means there's an excluded center from that particular inequality. A way to remember this is that or, like the oars of a boat, will be pointing outward.